Your streaming TV service gives you the ability to manage your recorded programs with the Rules feature. So what do rules mean? For programs or your favorite sports team that will have many episodes or games that air, you can manage the number of episodes or games that you want your streaming TV service to record. Let's say that you really like to watch the news that airs each evening, but you have commitments and can't watch it till the next day. From the program guide, press the left or right side of your Apple remote ring until you've highlighted the program series that you want to record. Press the center of your remote ring to open the program information window. Highlight Record and press the center of your remote ring to open the recording options window. Here you have three options. One-time recording, if you only want to record the single program that you've selected from the program guide. Series Rule New Only, which means the service will only record new episodes of the series or sporting event. Or Series Rule All Episodes, which will record all episodes of the program, including reruns. Once you've made your selection, press the center of your remote ring and you will have made your series recording. You can also make changes to your series rules or delete your series recording without deleting the already recorded series programs. From the Recordings menu, press the bottom of your remote ring until you've highlighted Rules. Then press the left or right side of your remote ring until you've highlighted the series that you want to delete. Press the center of your remote ring to open that series, and to delete the series, press the bottom of your remote ring until you get to the bottom of the screen, and then press the right side of your remote ring to highlight Delete. Then press the center of your remote pad to open a confirmation window asking if you're sure that you want to delete this program. Highlight Delete and click the center of your remote pad to complete the deletion. Keep in mind that you'll still be able to watch the series programs already recorded and that no more recordings of the series will be made. You can also modify your series rules by changing what recording type and how many series episodes that you would like to keep. By following the instructions just given for accessing the rules, you will see four options: Keep at Most, Show Type, Start Recording, and Stop Recording. You can edit the number of episodes that you want to keep by highlighting the Keep at Most and pressing the center of your remote pad. You can press the top or bottom of your remote ring to scroll up or down to select the number of episodes that you want to keep, or you can choose to keep them all. Then press the center of your remote pad to make the change. Show Type gives you the ability to change the type of series episodes you want to record. By highlighting Show Type, then you can choose to record all episodes or only new episodes. Highlight your choice and press the center of your remote pad to select your option. There's another Series Rule Edit feature that lets you add time at the beginning or the end of each series recording, which is especially useful when recording sporting events that sometimes go longer than the time scheduled for them in the program guide. Press the top or bottom of your remote ring to highlight either Start Recording if you want to have the program begin earlier than scheduled, or Stop Recording if you want to extend the program recording time. Highlight your selection and press the center of your remote pad. From here, press the top or bottom of your remote ring until you've highlighted how much extra time you want to add. Then press the center of your remote pad to make your selection. After you've made your recording rule edits, don't forget to highlight Save and press the center of your remote pad to complete the edits.